Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Altseason, when Altseason is going to start, and also I'm going to give you three meme coins, the three best meme coins which I think they can perform very well when Altseason start compared to all of them. Of course guys, before we continue, before I'm going to reveal all these altcoins with price prediction, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, because we post one video every single day talking about trading, stocks and crypto. Now, guys, let's cut the chase straight away and let's get into the core of today. So, market cap, Bitcoin dominance, guys. This is where you're going to understand when we are going to see alt season. If you can see from the previous bull market, alt season started roughly around here, guys, roughly around December 2020, when Bitcoin was able to retrace its dominance up to this level over here at 74%, or even at the 61.8% retracement. So this area over here is called the golden pocket area, and in general, whenever you retrace up to this area over here, and once you break this structure, altcoin season starts. So at the moment, guys, you can see that's what's happening right now. I'm going to cancel all of this so you can see very, very well. What is happening right now is we are still trending higher with Bitcoin. And what I want to see right now will be Bitcoin to reach again the 61.8% retracement of Fibonacci, which should be coming in the end of September 2024. And in general, when you're going to see this movement like that, Bitcoin should be pumping hopefully to 85, 90K, even 100K. And once you're going to be able to break this rising wedge over here, this structure over here, we're going to do the Altseason is going to start. And I'm expecting this to happen potentially in between October, November 2024 to February 2025. And of course, there are going to be some altcoins, some meme coins, which are going to perform the best, some others that are not going to perform at all. That's why you need to be able to understand which one are going to pump the most. That's why I'm going to give you today this price prediction. But of course, guys, if you want to also know how to trade the market, how to go long and short and make money if the price goes up and down, and to understand these altcoins, which you can do a 50x, 20x, guys, we have our VIP group over here. You can see our trading results, which are insane, from our member guys that are making incredible gains. So if you really want to understand, if you want trading calls, if you want to see which altcoin can do 100x, you just have to join our VIP group, guys. We have everything here: trading results, trading calls, member calls, Bitcoin analysis, but also altcoin analysis every single day. Whether you're a trader, you're an investor, you're learning, this is the place to be. So if you want to join, link in the description below. Now let's go back into our market cap dominance, so we can close this one over here. So once it's going to break this level, then we can really start our season, which in my opinion is going to come very, very soon. Guys, the first one I want to show you today, which I think is going to do very, very well, is going to be Brett USDT. Brett has been pretty much bashed for the last, since June 2024, has been going down into a downtrend. But right now you can see that even today, he has pretty much formed a beautiful pattern over here, which is almost like we call a double bottom pattern, which in general, this is very, very bullish. And what we could be expecting from here, it could be potentially one last drop to the downside, depending on what's going to be happening next this week with Jerome Powell and the Fed, but also what's going to be happening with the Fed, if they're going to cut interest rates or not. So we might see one last dip to Bitcoin at 45K, which in my opinion, if that happens, then we could be seeing one last dip as well in Brett down to 0.0405. But again, looking at the longer term projection and looking at the Fibonacci extension, we can see that Brett has a very high chance that it could be forming a ABCD pattern. So we go A, B, C, and then D pattern, and it could be reaching a level of this Fibonacci extension over here, which is roughly at 0.26. So if you made a calculation, let's say you buy in between 0.6 to 0.10, you could be able to make a 3x from here. But there is a chance that this might extend. We might have a pullback from here and then to continue to go up potentially reaching 0.3637. Again, it could be even going higher than that. It could be going up to $2 million, $3, whatever you think it can go to. But I like to be a very conservative guy. I don't like to give you just false hope. I'm not a moon boy. I only analyze charts. Guys, the second one I'm going to show you today, it's MYRO USDT. So MYRO as well looks beautiful in my opinion, has fully retraced from his bottom to the top. You can see that a former top in March 2024 is pretty much fully retraced, but right now is like showing some sign of life. And in my opinion, what could be happening right now could be a nice pump to the upside, maybe in the next few days or weeks, then potentially one last drop to the downside around this area again, 0.04, 0.03, and then after that we should be able to break from this range once altcoin season start. And even for MYRO USDT, we should be seeing a target, the first target at roughly 0.70. So if you actually have a look at this, that could be a 10x potential from here. And again, guys, looking at the Fibonacci extension, we could even go as high as $2 from here, which it could be like a 20x or even like a 30x. That could definitely be possible, although in my opinion it's unlikely. So some people think it can go up like crazy, but eventually whenever you are a trader or an investor, remember always to take profits, pay yourself, because these are pretty much called altcoins, but even we can call them shit coins. And whenever they pump like crazy, then they also dump like crazy. So always, whenever you're going to go very extended, like you're going to be stretched with these prices, always remember to take profits. And the last one I want to show you guys today, which probably it doesn't need any presentation, it's a Pepe USDT. Pepe has been around for such a long time, and right now what I can see from here, I'm expecting that what could be happening with Pepe. I'm a little bit, I would say, hesitant right now to long Pepe, just for the fact that you can see right now Pepe has performing what we call a head and shoulder pattern, which I have a shoulder over here, a head over here, another shoulder over here. And what could be happening right now in the next few weeks, it could be a retracement up to this area over here. But then if we are going to see a break to the downside again, a rejection from this area and a completion of this head and shoulder from here to here, what we could be seeing could be one last dip down to this area over here, roughly 0.0000331. So that could be, I would say, in my opinion, the worst case scenario. But then from there, I'm expecting Pepe to go and really reach this higher level at the Fibonacci extension 1.86, and also is going to be in conjunction with this local high, and then it should be going like around this area over here. It's gonna go higher, 100%. It could definitely go even higher than that. It could even go from here and here. But as I said before, I like to be conservative. I don't like to give you crazy predictions. So from here to here, let's say, even if you're gonna go and place a long position, we can just go from this point here to this point over here. Could be a 453% increase in price, which is pretty much like a 5x or a 6x from here. I know you heard so many times, so many people saying that we're gonna go up to, with the meme coins, we're gonna 40 times, 50 times, 60 times. But again, to be honest, that's a little bit, I would say, risky, especially if you're trading with lots of money, if you're investing with lots of money. So remember always these levels over here if you decide to buy some meme coins. So guys, to summarize everything, meme coins, Pepe, MYRO, and Brett, those are my favorite. Price prediction is going to be overall in between 5x to 7x from here. Could be way higher than that, but that's what I can see right now from the charts. And I believe all of this could be achieved in the first quarter of 2025, or when Bitcoin is going to be able to break 85 to 90K. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. If you have a question, please leave a comment down below. But otherwise, guys, if you really want to understand and to trade all these meme coins and all of that, join the VIP group, because that's the place to be. Take care, and I'm going to see you in the next video.